The modern kitchen demands efficiency without compromise, and this Instant Pot Pro Crisp 11-in-1 air fryer and electric pressure cooker combo is designed to meet that demand head-on. This multifunctional appliance combines speed, versatility, and convenience into a single, powerful cooking solution. For households looking to save counter space while expanding cooking possibilities, this unit stands out as a practical upgrade rather than just another gadget. At its core, the Instant Pot Pro Crisp is built for flexibility. With 11 distinct cooking functions, it replaces multiple appliances and simplifies everyday meal preparation. Whether you are pressure cooking tender meats, air frying crispy snacks, slow cooking comfort meals, or steaming vegetables, everything happens within one system. This level of versatility appeals strongly to busy families, meal preppers, and home cooks who want consistent results without complex setups. Why the Instant Pot Pro Crisp stands out. What separates this model from standard multi-cookers is its dual-lid design. Instead of forcing users to compromise between pressure cooking and air frying, Instant Pot includes two purpose-built lids. The pressure cooking lid locks in moisture and heat for fast, flavorful results, while the crisping lid uses EvenCrisp technology to deliver golden, crunchy textures with significantly less oil. Switching lids is simple, secure, and intuitive, making it easy to move from slow-cooked to crispy finishes without transferring food to another appliance. The 8-quart capacity is another major advantage. It accommodates large family meals, batch cooking for the week, and entertaining guests. Whether preparing a whole chicken, a large pot of stew, or party-sized appetizers, the generous size ensures fewer cooking cycles and less cleanup. Key features and functional highlights. The Instant Pot Pro Crisp delivers a well-balanced mix of performance, safety, and ease of use. Its thoughtfully designed feature set caters to both beginner cooks and experienced kitchen enthusiasts. Core cooking functions include pressure cook, air fry, slow cook, steam, sauté, sous vide, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, keep warm. Each function is optimized to deliver reliable results without guesswork. The status light indicators provide clear visual feedback throughout the cooking process, allowing users to monitor progress at a glance. This feature improves confidence and eliminates the need to hover over the appliance. Healthier cooking without sacrificing flavor. One of the biggest selling points of the Pro Crisp is its ability to create crispy foods using up to 95% less oil. The EvenCrisp air frying system circulates superheated air evenly, ensuring consistent browning without excessive grease. This allows users to enjoy traditionally fried foods, such as wings, fries, or breaded vegetables, with a lighter nutritional profile. For families focused on healthier eating or weight management, this function alone adds significant value. Meals taste indulgent while aligning more closely with modern dietary goals. Speed that fits real life. Time-saving performance is another area where this appliance excels. Pressure cooking can reduce cooking times by up to 70% compared to traditional slow methods. Dried beans become tender in minutes. Tough cuts of meat break down beautifully, and weeknight dinners become genuinely manageable. This efficiency doesn't compromise flavor or texture. Instead, it delivers deep, well-developed taste while freeing up valuable time, an important consideration for working households. Thoughtful design and easy cleanup. The Instant Pot Pro Crisp is clearly designed for daily use. The dishwasher-safe inner pot and pressure lid simplify cleanup and reduce friction around cooking routines. Accessories such as the multi-level air fryer basket, stainless steel rack, and broil/dehydrating tray are sturdy, practical, and easy to maintain. The included protective pad and storage cover help protect countertops and keep the appliance tidy when not in use, reinforcing its role as a long-term kitchen investment rather than a temporary convenience. Safety you can trust. Cooking under pressure can feel intimidating, but Instant Pot addresses this with over 10 built-in safety mechanisms. These include overheat protection, secure lid locking, and controlled pressure release systems. The result is a cooking experience that feels controlled, predictable, and safe, even for users new to pressure cooking. Peace of mind is a significant advantage, particularly for families and households with varying levels of cooking experience. Who this appliance is best for. The Instant Pot Pro Crisp 11-in-1 is ideal for busy families needing fast, reliable meals. Meal preppers cooking in large batches. Health-conscious cooks who want crispy foods with less oil. Home cooks looking to replace multiple appliances. Anyone wanting simplicity without limiting creativity. It's especially attractive to users who want one appliance that adapts to different cooking styles rather than locking them into a single method. Final verdict. The Instant Pot Pro Crisp 11-in-1 is not just a multi-cooker. It's a complete cooking system designed for real-world kitchens. It combines speed, versatility, safety, and thoughtful design into one streamlined appliance. By eliminating the need for separate pressure cookers, air fryers, and slow cookers, it simplifies both cooking and cleanup. For buyers seeking maximum value, flexibility, and long-term usability, this appliance makes a compelling case. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.